tickets are now available for Excel Conference. This is our church weekend away, which is happening at the end of May. You don't want to miss out. It's a great time where we get away to Wales, away from the business of the city, into the countryside, and we have a great weekend together as church family. So if you want to come, but you can't come for the whole weekend, why don't you come for a day? Have a look on our website to get more information and book your day tickets now.
First breath it exhales and the praise it is deafening.
We have got two very special mission opportunities happening here at Excel Church to go abroad globally to share the good news of Jesus. We've got one mission trip happening in Spain, in Asturias, and we've also got one happening in Uganda again in 2027. Now, we've had some information nights here, but if you are interested in getting involved in these missions, then please come and talk to leadership at church, because we'd love to give you some more information about that. Did you know there are 5 Wednesdays in April, which means on the 29th of April, we've got our next Leadership Development Night. This is for anyone here at Excel Church that feels that calling of leadership on their lives. Come along for that evening. It's going to be a great time. And we've got guest Burnett coming from St Paul's AOG in Worcester. She'll be joining us there to give us some tips and tricks on how to be a good leader and just great ministry as well. So do come along for that if that sounds like it's for you.
Jesus, perfect love, cleared my account. He is a faithful promise.
Have you joined Excel Church in the last 6 months or so? Well, we've got a new people's lunch happening on Sunday the 10th of May. This is a chance for you to get to know the leaders, get to know other people here at church, and to have a free lunch as well. It will be happening in between the morning and afternoon service, so make sure you come along and sign up online if you are joining us for that. You can find out more information by speaking to one of the leaders. We'd love to see you there.
Praise you, God, for you are high and lifted up. Yahweh, 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 Yahweh. New healing, new freedom.
That's all for Excel News, but don't forget this Wednesday is release where we're starting a new 2-point series from Mike, and it's going to be called The Battle for the Mind. You don't want to miss out. Have a great week, guys.